guys! Happy Friday! Sa labas kami ng mga bata. Anong oras na ba? Maaga pa naman. Yeah, it's now 8:58 in the morning. Come here. So, ito ang park sa amin.
You drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on, I put my feet up, and we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling, just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling, I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? This moment, can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?
It's nothing new, but it's so good to see you. We do this every day, and I'm still so amazed by you. So hold me tight through the night. Just us two, me and you. Oh, oh, I can't believe you love me. Oh, oh, I just feel so lucky. Oh, oh, still can't believe you love me.
Andito na kami sa area namin. May playground din kasing katabi yung bahay namin. Yung kanya yung park yung pinuntahan namin. Yun yung dalawa. Oh wow, that's a lot of rocks. Do you like the rock? Ramdam ko talaga na wala akong exercise na. Napagod ako eh. Tsaka start ng mainit. Well, yung hangin kasi malamig. But yung araw kasi matingkad. Kaya maganda. Siya, mainit-init din. Ano. Hi guys, it's now 10 a.m. Nasa bahay na kami. So, umalis kami dito siguro mga around 8:30 yun. Or 8:45, parang ganun. It was a good walk. It was, it felt good. It was nice. Nakalabas kami ng mga bata, na araw-arawan. Pero yes, napagod ako. Kasi nga wala naman akong exercise. It's been a long time since nag-walking ako. Back then, when I didn't have kids, nag-walking ako with my dogs. Tumatakbo kami ng aso ko before, si Lulu. When I had the kids, I had to give up my pets. I had 2 dogs back then and 1 cat. I had to give them up kasi hindi madaling mag-alaga ng aso dito sa Canada. So, yun. Ever since I had the kids, just before, may treadmill ako sa basement, doon sa old house namin. But when we moved, I had to sell it because there wasn't enough space for it back nung time na lumipat kami. Malaki kasi yung treadmill, mabigat masyado. And nagda-downsize ako ng gamit. And, yeah. And plus, we might move again. I don't know. We'll see. But, yeah. So, I'm thinking of getting another treadmill once nag-start na si Sebing mag-school siguro kapag meron na kaming mas maayos na routine. And it's been a long time since I last vlogged. Yung last na vlog ko hindi ko pa na-edit. We got sick, all of us. Nagkaroon kami ng lagnat, ubo, sipon. Ako may konting sipon pa, tsaka konting ubo, pati si John, yung husband ko. Pero yung mga bata okay na, magaling na sila. Pero ako, I got really sick. Tapos, after nung week na yon na lahat kami may sakit, the week after, nagka-period naman ako. And, hirap kasi ako sa period kasi nga madalang ako magkaroon. So, lalagang masakit yung puson ko, grabe yung dysmenorrhea ko. So, I rested talaga. Kaya, ito, ngayon na lang ulit ako nakapag-vlog. It's been a while. But yeah, I missed you guys. So, yeah, that was our day today. Our morning. It was a good morning, I would say.
People knew her by her will to make it whatever she put her mind to.